breaking his beak. All right.
This is family issues this guy's interested in.
All right.
His primary relationships are.
What we're doing here?
That's why he flew in here.
We're filming live. There's a hummingbird stuck in our
Oh,
thing. In our.
him.
All right. How are you gonna get him? Go ahead.
Bruce Buffer. Whoa, he's got
Oh.
orange on the top of his head. Check this out, dude.
He's got what?
The top of his head is pink, like glowing pink.
Pink?
Look at that. I've never seen that.
Holy shit!
It's a robot hummingbird.
It is. It's been sent here to
You
kill
guys,
us.
the government is onto us. We gotta move.
All right, let's get this thing out of here.
All right,
You want to trap it in the basket? Use the basket and throw it over him, and then you can throw him right out the window.
Friends, oh my god, he has beautiful colors.
You want a plastic cup?
Brother, don't fight it, brother. I don't want a cup.
What are your pecs at?
Yeah, you don't want to break those little wings.
I'm gonna break the wings, dude. Oh, Jesus. Come on, dude. Bro, it's gnarly. It's like a helicopter.
There you go. Get him?
I saw it fly past my leg. I was like, what the hell?
You want to
No,
guide him towards the window?
See, I need a cup.
Yeah. Get the fucking cup.
I'm gonna move this.
We've got a situation unfolding live here.
Patricia, talk about that.
Like this.
You must trust others.
Oh my god.
Go this way. Go this way. Hey.
Dude, just go lightly.
I want to crush him, dude. Oh god, it's in the sun.
Oh my.
Get a cup.
Oh, I think he's shot.
Here, let me do this.
Oh, that's awesome.
Here.
You gonna cup him?
Scared.
Yeah. Because then he'll be able to rest in it. There. Gotta turn this off.